Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamualaikum. So in today's video I'm going to give my honest review on Jaclyn Hill's palette by Morphe. And as you all know that Jaclyn Hill created this palette in collaboration with Morphe. This palette created a huge hype in the market and in YouTube worlds. It's a dupe, but it's a master copy of the original palette. And you can see at the back picture of Jaclyn Hill is also given, and here is her letter. Creating this palette has truly been a big dream come true for me. Morphe gave me full creative control and allowed me to customize my dream palette for everyone to enjoy. Every shade was customized by me, and I really hope you guys love it as much as I do. I wanted a range of neutrals and pops of colors accommodated all your skin tones. I put my heart and soul into this palette. So as she said that she gave all the required colors which are required by all the skin tones to get ready in a particular event. So this is the palette. It comes in this bubble wrap. It has a beautiful sleek decent design in white body, and when we open it there is a this palette is dedicated to all my loving subscribers. So because we all know her due to her work in YouTube, so that's why she dedicated her palette to her subscribers. So these all are the colors, and there are around 35 colors, and you can create any. There are some transition color, there are some crease color, there are some very nice blues. So and you can even create smoky eyes with this palette. So it's a wholesome palette which has all the basic colors to do any makeup. It's kind of professional palette as well as good for beginners. If you can't afford the original palette, which is really expensive, you can even buy a master copy like this. So you can see the color and the pigmentation. It's very good. The colors are not very chunky. The colors are really good. There are no big glitter particles in it, but very blendable glitters are there. So you can always have this palette because it is very affordable and will not be a burden on your pocket. And you can see that they are easily blendable and merge into each other. So this palette is good because such palettes are created on the same pattern as the original ones with some sort of cheap labor and all. So this is all about my today's review. Rest is up to you. If you want to have this, must go for it. Inshallah, I'll see you in my next video. Take care, love.